Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make quesadillas de pollo. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need about 8 small flour tortillas, 1 cup of cooked, shredded chicken, and 2 cups of your favorite shredded cheese, like Monterey Jack or a Mexican blend. Don't forget a little oil or butter for cooking, and perhaps some salsa or guacamole for serving. This recipe is perfect for a quick and delicious meal. Next, let's prepare our chicken for maximum flavor. If you're starting with raw chicken, cook about 8 ounces of chicken breast or thighs until done, then shred or dice it. For pre-cooked chicken, simply shred it and then sauté it in a pan with a tablespoon of oil. Add a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Cook for about 3 to 5 minutes until fragrant and warmed through. Now for the fun part, assembling your quesadillas. Heat a large non-stick skillet or griddle over medium heat. Lightly grease the pan with a teaspoon of oil or butter. Place 1 flour tortilla in the pan. Sprinkle about half a cup of shredded cheese evenly over the tortilla. Then, add about a 1/4 cup of your seasoned chicken on 1/2 of the tortilla. This layering ensures even distribution. Finally, let's cook these delicious quesadillas to perfection. Once assembled, cook the quesadilla for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until the tortilla is golden brown and crispy, and the cheese is completely melted and gooey. Carefully flip it over using a wide spatula. After cooking, transfer the quesadilla to a cutting board, slice it into 4 or 6 wedges, and serve immediately with your favorite toppings like salsa, sour cream, or guacamole. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.